You know that feeling, right? You turn to reach for something and suddenly your shoulder just tenses up. Or you twist just a little bit and your back feels stiff, almost like it's bracing itself. Well, today, we're going to talk about a really simple movement you can do in just 2 minutes with nothing more than a towel to help your body feel stable and confident again.
If you're over 60, I'm sure you've heard it a million times. Oh, that's just aging. But, that feeling isn't just a fact of life you have to accept. Maybe looking over your shoulder to back up the car doesn't feel as smooth as it used to. It's that little bit of hesitation, that uncertainty before you move. That's exactly what we're going to talk about.
So, here's the thing. What you're feeling isn't necessarily weakness. It's more like the communication between your brain and your muscles has gotten a little, rusty. Your body's ability to rotate with control has kind of quietly faded away. And that makes sense. After years of sitting, or maybe protecting old aches and pains, your body learns to avoid twisting. But here's the good news. You can retrain that coordination at any age. You just need the right instructions.
Okay, so let's get right into this simple and honestly powerful solution. It's called the towel twist. And no, you don't need heavy weights, fancy machines, or even have to get down on the floor. This is what I'd call an intelligent movement, one that's designed to reconnect your brain and your body.
Think of this movement as a re-education for your body. We are not trying to force a big stretch or crank on your spine at all. The whole point here is to reteach the connection between your hands, your shoulders, your rib cage, and your core so they all start working together as a team again.
That towel you're holding? It provides just enough gentle resistance to wake up those deep, stabilizing muscles that are supposed to protect your spine. The muscles that can get a little sleepy as we get older. That's why you won't feel tired after doing this. See, the goal isn't to exhaust you, it's to organize you. And when your body moves in an organized way, that stiffness starts to decrease and your confidence comes right back.
All right, ready to try it? Let's get into the how-to. I'm going to walk you through this nice and slow, step by step, so you can really feel what's happening in your body. Go ahead and grab a towel and let's get set up.
First things first, stand up nice and tall, with your feet about hip-width apart, and make sure your knees have a little bend in them. Keep them soft, not locked out. Now, hold the towel right out in front of you at shoulder height, with your hands just a bit wider than your shoulders. And here's the secret sauce. Gently pull the towel apart. You're not trying to rip it. Just create a little bit of constant tension. That simple action wakes everything up and tells your body to pay attention.
Okay, now for the movement itself. The most important rule, your hips stay put. They face straight ahead the whole time. Think of your feet as being anchored to the floor. Now, slowly rotate your upper body to the right. Only go as far as feels easy and controlled. There should be absolutely no strain. Hold that gentle twist for just 2 or 3 seconds. Then, with that same slow control, come back to the center. Take a breath, and then repeat to the left. Remember, the goal here is smoothness, not how far you can go.
Let's talk about your breath for a second, because this is absolutely crucial. Take a nice inhale before you start to turn. Then, as you rotate, let that breath out slowly, a long, smooth exhale. Whatever you do, don't hold your breath. That slow exhale is like a message to your nervous system. It says, hey, this is safe, you can relax. And when your brain feels safe, your muscles stop guarding. And that's how that stiffness just starts to melt away without you ever having to force it.
Now, to get the absolute most out of this movement, we need to practice smart, not hard. So let's quickly cover a few common mistakes that are really easy to make, but thankfully, they're also very easy to fix. Avoiding these is what makes this so incredibly effective. So let's look at the difference here. The biggest mistake, by far, is letting your hips swing with you. Remember, keep those hips pointing straight ahead. The second one is shrugging your shoulders up toward your ears. Let them relax, let them drop down. And finally, please don't rush through it or try to twist too far. If you feel any strain at all, you've gone too far. Slow and controlled. That is where the magic happens.
So how much time does this take out of your day? Well, you're going to love this. Just 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes a day is all you need. About 5 slow, controlled rotations to each side is absolutely perfect. You can do this while your coffee's brewing in the morning or just before you settle in for the evening. When a movement fits into your life this easily, it's something you can actually stick with.
Okay, let's bring this all together. This small, 2-minute exercise, it isn't just about feeling less stiff. It's about rebuilding something so much more important, the trust you have in your own body's ability to move.
And this really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? Think about it. Most falls don't happen when we're just standing still. They happen when we're moving, when we're turning or reaching or changing direction.
The towel twist is quietly training your balance and coordination for those exact moments. It's about building movement that you can truly rely on in your everyday life.
You know, aging well isn't about trying to move like you're 20 again. Not at all. It's about moving with confidence, with clarity, and with control. This one simple twist supports something huge: your independence. So, what are you waiting for? Your confidence is right there, waiting for you. Go on, take the first turn.